Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new Roblox account. Before starting, if you don't know what Roblox is, it is the ultimate virtual universe that lets you play, create, and be anything you can imagine. It is an online game platform and game creation system that allows users to program games and play games created by other users. To create a new account on Roblox, go to your application on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app, go to the Play Store and install Roblox by searching it on the search box and installing it. After you're done, tap open the app. As soon as it opens, tap on Sign Up to create new. Enter your birthday information first. Confirm the birthday information and type in a username next. Your username must be under these criteria given below. Next, enter a strong password for your account. Again, there are certain criteria you must meet in order to create a strong password to your account. Next, choose your gender, which is optional. And lastly, tap on Sign Up button. For verification, you'll need to solve a certain challenge. To do so, tap on Verify, complete the task given to you, and after that, your new Roblox account will be created. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. I'll be back again with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.